Talk about fresh. There's 36 miles since the complete custom show quality restoration. What a cool truck. It's got a 350 motor and it's a manual 5-speed on the floor. That's what I really like about it, along with these blue line tires. That just made it for me. It just made the truck that much more different. Subtle body modifications that we'll go over that in just a second. Air conditioned, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have the price tag, including this one, along with a monthly finance payment as well. For right now, though, join me. Let's go for a spin. Now, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new content all the time. So we're looking at a mirror finish, big black hood, just like glass. It's straight. They removed the emblems from the truck. Notice there's no emblems, all just smooth, clean, nice lines, all fits beautifully. That's really tight gaps right here. It's like a Lexus. The roof is all real nice and slick. Shuts real nice. The whole cab, the corners, all real nice. Obviously, it's a Stepside, all metal, all nice and clean. Look at the French tail lights back here. Real cool looking. It looks like a Corvette tail light. No rear bumper. Has the roll pan with the recessed license plate. This is done in like a charcoal gray, the Chevrolet. But the body and paint is really, really slick. This truck, when you walk up to it, you're just going to be like, wow. So all absolutely mirror finish, laser beam straight. It has these little louvers down here. All nice, clean, everything about it. Chrome locking gas cap. The body and paint is fantastic. Slick. Up front, they removed the bumper as well. It's all smoothed out. A little bit of blue on the grill and the emblem. And again, that just really made this truck unique to me. It's something minor, but I really like that. New windshield and gasket, new vent windows and gaskets, nope, the rear windows original, but new gasket around it. Not really any chrome to talk about other than the door handles. These are custom-made tires. They're performance tires, so it doesn't have the size on, at least not on the front of it. But I'm guessing these are 20-inch wheels. Billet Specialties, beautiful shape. You got new chains for the tailgate. Really, that's about it. Just incredible workmanship. Let's open it up. Got some more stuff to show you inside. Good old-fashioned, old-school tailgate with the chains. Look how smooth and slick that is. The whole inside of the box is just smooth, clean metal with stainless steel hardware. And on the floor, I'm going to say that looks just like oak to me, refinished oak with the stainless steel strips and chrome hardware. So that's beautiful right there, folks. Yeah, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, we post several cars a week. We post test drive videos. We do showroom tours where we walk through the showrooms, show off some of our movie cars. So door jambs are painted real slick. Door latches look new. It has a deluxe door panel that's new with new window cranks and handles. And the instrument panel, that's all new, this whole panel. And it has all new set of factory gauges. It has a battery gauge, temp gauge, a tachometer, and then even an oil pressure gauge. You know, the 70 Chevelle Super Sport did not come with an oil pressure gauge, even when you ordered the gauges. AC, it's all new, the controls, the vents. This is all painted in nice, smooth satin black. New dash pad. All nice, clean carpet. This here is also one of the selling features. It has the right shifter for the bench seat, but you know, not too many of these trucks with a 5-speed on the floor. Normally they're automatic on the column. New deluxe houndstooth upholstery. New gas tank behind the seat. The whole inside of the cab is painted up real nice and slick. We got one visor. Yeah, back then, visors on both sides, never been drilled for it. Only got one visor. And then we got a deluxe steering wheel, and that's on a tilt column. It's a real nice, comfortable interior. You'll be shifting gears. This is what an engine with 36 miles looks like. It's a 350 motor, seems to run real nice and smooth. Aluminum intake, a dual feed Holley carburetor underneath there. It's got an HEI ignition hiding way in the back. And those headers on the side of the motors are actual stainless steel. Then the engine's dressed up with the finned valve covers, a big dual snorkel air cleaner. So the modern heat and air conditioning is just a lot more compact, so you don't have the big box. It's all tidy, but look at all the metal is all smooth and painted real nice. There's a Delco battery topper. The whole core support's new. Everything's new. The core support's painted, I should say. Aluminum radiator. It's got the right shroud. Aluminum water pump helps keep it cool as well. It's a new air conditioning. You got power steering. Then you have a Wilwood brake system. Another hydraulic clutch. That's what that master cylinder's for. It's very fresh and clean. Michael's going to show you what she's got.
Everybody, beautiful day here. Beautiful show quality truck to cruise today. 67 Stepside. Beautiful black paint. Beautiful black with white houndstooth interior. Feeling sweet. Got fresh cushions in it. Fresh 350 under the hood. And the Tremec 5-speed manual right there. Until I had a chance to cruise this one around the block, and it's just... It's effortless to shift this. Tremendous truck all the way around. This one did go through our shop with flying colors. And does that rarely happen? But I mean, it's only got 41 miles on the restoration. And it's really dialed in. Totally loving this one. Power steering, power brakes, Wilwood disc brakes. Got the tilt column here, fresh steering wheel, and yeah, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Tell you, I love the feel of this shifter right here. The way it goes into third, it actually it clicks itself into it automatically. It's got a tremendous feel on it. Fantastic truck all the way around. Handles the bumps nicely. Everything's working on it. Got the nice fresh gauges in here. Little tack in the middle, you can see right here. The little tack. So just a fantastic truck all the way around. Lots of driver-friendly kind of modern amenities on it. Let's say it's got the vintage air conditioning system as well. Oh, and the brakes. I don't know if I mentioned those. Wilwood 6-piston up front. I think they're 4s in the back, but anyway, it's got disc brakes all the way around, and the big ones up front. So if you want to come test drive it yourself, I would recommend it. It's a fantastic truck. You're absolutely going to love it, and it's a heck of a lot of fun to drive. So contact anybody in our sales department. Joey or Eric would be more than happy to help you guys out, set that right up for you. And yeah, I love it. This one's not going to be around long. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So underneath the truck is very clean. The front end looks like it's been gone through. I can see miscellaneous new parts. Ball joints look brand new. The shocks. In back it has lowering blocks, a new custom panhard bar, new shocks. It is disc brakes at all four wheels. Wilwood disc brakes. 6 piston in front. Usually that's on like higher end sports cars. But drilled and slotted discs all the way around. New dual exhaust system going all the way out the back. You look up at the motor, it's still fresh. The starter looks new, fuel pump. Transmission's a Tremec. There's a whole package, came with the shifter, the clutch. The whole package was bought new and installed. 12-bolt rear end with an aluminum cover. Rock solid, clean floors underneath. So yeah, really nice truck. I like this one. And all you're going to have to do is keep it dusted. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered, how to get financing. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.